Hi my dear students, welcome to Students Reference. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel and click the bell icon to get notifications for the upcoming videos. Today we are going to discuss about 2017 Set B NSO question paper for class 2 students. I have already uploaded some other IEO, NSO, IMO and IGKO question papers for class 2 students. You please go to the playlist in students reference and click Olympiad class 2 to get these question papers. And the first topic is logical reasoning. 1. If we interchange the positions of toys Q and T, then which toy will be fifth from the left end? Look at the given picture and try to find out the answer. How to solve this problem? First, we have to change the positions of toys Q and T. So, this is T now and this is Q now. Okay. Which toy will be fifth from the left hand? Which one is left hand? This is the left hand. This is your right hand. The toy will be fifth from the left hand. So from left hand, fifth. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. So the answer is Q. So the answer is D. 2. If monkey is called fish, fish is called sparrow and sparrow is called parrot, then which of the following lives in water? You look at the given options and try to find out the answer. The solution is, which of the following lives in water? Fish. But fish is called sparrow. So the answer is C, sparrow. 3. Sahil starts his singing practice on second Monday of September 2000X and finishes his practice on 29th September 2000XX. How many days does he practice? Assume that every Sunday is a holiday. This is the given calendar. He starts his practice on second Monday. This is first Monday. This is second Monday. Second Monday is 13th September. 13. And he finishes his practice on 29th September. Okay. And next clue is Sunday is a holiday. So we have to cancel all Sundays. Now we have to count the days from 13 to 29. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So the answer is C, 15. This is a very important problem. This type of questions asked frequently. So you practice more problems. 4. Select the odd one out. You look at the given pictures and try to find out the answer. So to find the answer, you count the number of sides of the outer figure and this inner figure. Okay. Here outer figure has 4 sides and inner figure has 5 sides. Here outer is 6 and inner is 8 and here outer is 5 and inner is 6 and here outer is 7 and inner is 8. So the odd one out is B. The difference between these two numbers is 1 except B. So B is the odd one out. 5. Which of the following figures will complete the pattern in figure X? This is the given pattern X. Look at the given options and try to find out the answer. The solution part is, and this portion should be in orange color. Okay. So in the option, these two are in orange color. These two are not in orange color. So these two are not the answer. And this portion, this portion is in blue color. Option B has blue color. So the answer is B. A has green, so A is not the answer. Next topic is science. 6. Select the correct pair. Animals group. Lions army. Birds flock. Wolves pack. Both B and C. The correct answer is D. Both B and C. Group of lions are called as pride, not army. 7. Select the option that correctly matches the objects shown here with the animals from which we get them. Look at the given pictures and read the given options. The answer is C. 2. Crocodile. 3. Silkworm. 2 is a leather bag. We can get leather from crocodile. We use crocodile leather to make leather products. 3 is silk saree. We get silk from silkworms. 8. Match the columns and select the correct option. Column 1, column 2. Natural living thing, natural non-living thing, man-made thing. Coal, tire, snake. You read the given options and find the answer. The first option is natural living thing. So here natural living thing is a snake. So A is 3. So here A is 2. So this is not the answer. And here A is 1. This is not the answer. Here A is 3. So this may be the answer. And here A is 1. So this is not the answer. So the answer is C. 9. Samir describes a plant that he has seen in a field. Identify the plant. It is a small bushy plant with hard stem and branches. We get soft fiber from it, which is used for stuffing pillows. So this is the easiest clue word. The options are jute plant, cotton plant, coconut plant, money plant. So the answer is B, cotton plant. 10. Today, Srija is making a snowman with her friends in her front yard. The weather at her place can be indicated by dash symbol. You look at the given options. The answer is D. This symbol represents snowy day. This represents cloudy day. And this is sunny day. This is rainy day. 11. Find out the name of A, form of water, and B, pollutant of air from the given group of letters. A, form of water, ice, steam, puddle. B, pollutant of air. As any one of the options available in these letters, you try to find out the answer. We will check one by one. First one is ice. And here there is no I letter. So this is not the correct answer. And option B, in smoke, O is available. But here there is no O. So this also wrong. And in option D also smoke is given. So option D is also not the answer. So the answer is C, steam and dust. 12. My uncle grows eggs in his garden. X provides cooking oil. X is dash. You look at the given pictures carefully and try to find out the answer. The answer is B, sunflower. Sunflower seed is used to make sunflower oil. 13. Select the correct option regarding the figure shown here. You look at the given figure. This is X, this is Y, North Pole, South Pole. The options are people in part X would be sleeping at this time. People in part Y would be sleeping at this time. People in part X would be wearing woolen cloths, whereas those in part Y would be wearing only cotton cloths. None of these. The answer is B. People in part Y would be sleeping at this time. The part X is at the sun side. But part Y is not at the sun side. So X is daytime and Y is night time. We usually sleep at night time. So the answer is B. 14. At a place where temperature is always high, one should wear. You look at the given options carefully. The answer is D. Trouser. 15. Select the pair that is similar to the one given in the box based on that type. Look at the given pictures. Wheat, rice, bottle gourd, spinach, basil, beetle, mint, China rose. Find out the answer. First, I select this one. This is a rose plant. Rose plant is a shrub. So the second answer should be shrub. Rice is not a shrub, it's a herb. Spinach is a herb. Beetle is a climber. So these three are not the answers. And China rose is a shrub. So rose is a shrub and China rose is a shrub. So this is the correct answer. 16. Rishi is my nephew. He is dash of my daughter. Husband, cousin, son, father-in-law. The answer is B. Cousin. 17. Read the given passage carefully. When air blows gently, it is called X. When air blows with great force, it is called Y. When wind blows very fast with thunder and lightning, it is called Z. Select the option which correctly identifies X, Y, and Z. You read the given options carefully and try to find out the answer. And X is when air blows gently. So X is a breeze. So B and D are wrong answers. Next, when air blows with great force, it is called wind. Y is wind. And in option A, Y is wind. In option C, Y is storm. So C is wrong answer. A is the correct answer. 18. Refer to the animal shown here and select the option which correctly fills the blank in the given sentence. I keep my young one in my pouch. My young one is called dash. Kid, cub, joy, cough. The answer is C. Joy. 19. A teacher made chart of students with health issues in her class. Select the correct option regarding this. Student's name, health issue. Ali, weak bones. Mitu, constipation. Reena, obesity. The options are Ali should increase milk and milk products in his diet. He has bone issues. Mitu should increase fruits and green leafy vegetables in her diet. Constipation problem is the health issue here. Reena should avoid eating junk and fried foods. Health issue is obesity. All of these. So the correct answer is D. All of these. 20. Plants are living things because they can dash. Move from one place to another, grow in size, be used to make different things. All of these. The answer is B. Grow in size. 21. The things shown in the box X, this one, can be found in which of the following rooms of a house? Look at the given picture carefully. You will get the name of room by cutting every third letter in the given options. And these things are available in bathroom. You read the given options carefully. And the clue is cutting every third letter in the given options. Bathroom. So this is the correct answer. B is the correct answer. So if we cut every third letter, we will get the answer bathroom. 22. Select the correct match of activity with the safety rules to be followed while doing it. Playing, pushing each other, swimming using a swimming float, cycling wearing skates, horse riding wearing life jacket. The correct answer is B. Swimming using a swimming float. 23. Ram is reading a book. He is keeping dash posture, which will dash. Look at the given picture. Correct, strengthen his body. Incorrect, increase his eyesight. Correct, decrease his eyesight. Incorrect, harm his body. The answer is D. Incorrect, harm his body. 24. A green healthy plant growing at one corner in Ruchi's garden was digged out and replanted at other corner. After that it soon dried out. Its dash must have got damaged. Flower, fruit, roots, none of these. The answer is C. Roots. 25. Select the things from the box given below with which we should not play. Look at the given pictures carefully and read the given options and try to find out the answer. We should not play with this and this one. So the answer is 3, 4 and 5. So the answer is A. 3, 4 and 5 only. 26. Select the correct match out of the following. Cow, moo, kid. Elephant, chatter, cough. Monkey, croak, fawn. Tiger, growl, curb. The answer is D. 27. Wow, this tempting smell. I think mom is making pizza in the kitchen. Madhur most likely came to know about the pizza with the help of his dash. Ears, nose, tongue, eyes. This tempting smell is the keyword. So the answer is B. Nose. 28. Dash is needed only at last while building a house. Mason, architect, painter, plumber. Needed only at last. So the answer is C. Painter. 29. Four groups have been made based on modes of transport, each with one odd member. Select the group in which odd member is encircled correctly. Bus, auto rickshaw, car, ferry. Steamer, helicopter, submarine, ship. Aeroplane, jet plane, hot air balloon, boat. Cycle, train, truck, parachute. The correct answer is C. Aeroplane, jet plane, hot air balloon or air transports. Boat is a water transport. So this is the odd one out. Here only it encircled correctly. 30. Bones move with the help of dash. Skin, blood, muscles, none of these. The answer is C. Muscles. Next topic is Achiever section 31. Refer to the given word grid. Which of the following is not hidden in this grid? Organ that supplies blood to body. Organ that digests food. Organ of hearing. Organ that helps us to write. So first you try to find out the answer for all the 4 options. Then you try to find out the word in the grid and find out the answer. Organ that supplies blood to body is heart. Heart is given here. Organ that digests food is stomach. Stomach is given here. Organ of hearing is ear. Ear is given here. Organ that helps us to write, hand. Hand is not given in this grid. So the answer is D. 32. Study the given flowchart and identify D, E and F. Types of food. D. Potato, rice. E. Milk, soya bean. F. Vegetables, fruits. You read the given options and find out the answer. Potato and rice are energy giving foods. So D is energy giving food. Option C has D, energy giving food. So the answer is C. 33. Refer to the given group of letters. Which of the following minerals cannot be named using this letter group? Mineral that is used in glass cutting. Mineral that is used for making jewelry. Mineral that is used in watches. Mineral that is used to make talcum powder. First you find the answer for all the four options. Then you find out the answer. Mineral that is used in glass cutting is diamond. Mineral that is used for making jewelry is gold. Mineral that is used in watches is quartz. Mineral that is used to make talcum powder is talc. The answer is D. The letter C is not in this letter group. 34. Refer to the given diagram and select the correct option regarding it. You look at the given Venn diagram. Wild animal, carnivore, scavenger. Read the given options and try to find out the answer. The first one is P would be zebra or giraffe. P is wild animal. Zebra or giraffe, wild animals. So this is correct. Q would be lion or tiger. Q would be lion or tiger. And Q is wild animal and carnivore. Carnivore means flesh eating animals. So this also correct. R would be hyena or vulture. R, it's a wild animal, carnivore and scavenger. Scavenger means animals which eat dead animals are called as scavengers. Hyena and vultures are example for scavengers. They are wild animals and carnivores also. This is also correct. So the correct answer is D, all of these. 35. What will be the shape of shadow formed on the wall when objects P and Q are placed between the wall and light source as shown here? You look at the given picture. Light source, P is a triangle, Q is a circle, wall. Look at the given options and try to find out the answer. The answer is A. So my dear students, today we have completed 2017 Set B NSO question paper for class 2 students. If you like this video, please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.